tight, draw through. Pick any one you like. There's live videos on the website if you need them. The website's on every handle.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Carol, what do you think? Looks good, don't it? Pick a color. They all work the same. And guys, I'll guarantee you it'll work on any serrate you can possibly find. Roll them in the middle, they do not hurt them, not one bit. They'll get them way sharper than new. Steak knives, bread, electrics, any of them. I marked these down in the show today, 20 bucks even. We're out promoting them. Block, and I'm going to sharpen up this Gerber today with the serrated. It's this man's knife. I'll show you this works. Anything serrated, I roll it in the middle, it makes it vibrate, hits up and down in between the teeth, hits them from the tip to the valley. I have not yet found a serrate they don't work on. Now on the smooth edge, put it on the end of the table, squeeze it tight, draw through. Our rods are made to squeeze back so they follow the original edge, takes all the guesswork out, puts the original edge up as sharp as it can get. They're quick, they're simple, anyone can do it. See that? Hit them on a piece of leather when you're done, and that'll polish it. Any leather works. How's that feel? Better?
Yeah. Hasn't been that sharp since before it was new.
All right. And how's that serrate?
Nice.
Hey, my name's Jeff. I'm from Montgomery, just north of Montgomery, Alabama. I bought the blue one many years ago, probably 8 or 9 years ago now. I pretty much used it constantly every year on my hunting knives, my skinning knives, and it's the best sharpener, hands down. And I enjoy mine, and I'm here today, and I may pick up another one. So, thanks.
Well, thank you, Jeff.